Welcome back to Apex Investor. I know I just did a video today, but I really wanted to go over these, how many are there? 9 stocks, and show you what I was talking about because I didn't really give you the visual charts. So Nvidia will be splitting on Monday at market open. So you'll have 10 stocks for one. And I was saying this is only going up and up. The support looks like either could be all over the place. It could be 70, could be 80, because again, when it splits, but it looks more clear to me that it would be 70 or 80 as support, or even before they announced the split, somewhere in between this range, the sharp 70 to 80. We could be looking at $70 to $80 as support if it would go down, but we don't really know because we can't predict the future, A, and B because Nvidia is just this train is not stopping anytime soon. If you look at that, it's just an upward trajectory all the way through. There's no it's not seesawing, it's not a roller coaster ride. It's a rocket to the moon. So I'm going to finish that there. Grocery outlet. I was talking about how this is the perfect time to buy it. If we look at the chart right here, you can see 5 years anyway. Support is right now 21 and below, even 22 and below. We find ourselves at 22 and below, $20.91. This stock peaks every 2019, $46. 2020, 43, 44. So 43, 44 is a good exit point, good selling price, $40 even. And then more recently, 2022, $45. The highest it's been in the last couple of years has been 34. So even if you're planning to sell at 30, it's still a good price for what you're getting at $20, which is a grocery stock, really strong. One of the best grocery stores because they price everything very low at an affordable price in this kind of economy, which, as everybody knows, is the high cost of living is just crushing everybody, almost everyone, the majority of people. So we're feeling the crunch. So there you go. That's the chart for grocery outlet. Next chart, QuantumScape. Bill Gates' company produces electric vehicle batteries. We can see in the last year, good buy at 5 to 550. We're at 550. The lowest it's been is pretty much now. This is probably a good buy right now. I didn't even see this happening until today. So it's a good price even now. $5 to $5.50. So this is a good entry point for you if you want to buy into this stock. And it's sure to go up at least to $8, maybe even $9. We can see it went up to 13 earlier this year, or last year I should say. And it's been as high as 34, but don't count on it going that high. I think it's going to at least $10 though. So that's a good buy for you. QuantumScape. Next stock, Kodak. Can we let him out? Here, get out. You're disturbing the peace. Get out. Okay, sorry about that. That's embarrassing. Kodak. Kodak is the stock that you want to get below this level. You want to get at least $3. Or not at least, but below $4 for sure. From $3.50 and below. We can see this stock has been up lately as high as $6. Or $5.30, I should say. And you can sell this for $5.60. So this is a good time to sell it, $5.60 to $6, $5.50 at least. But you want to buy this at a low price, so $6 is even in the cards. If we look at the 5-year, this was as high as what is that? 20? Yeah, I don't see it going to 20 anytime soon, but it's realistic to see it go to at least 6. But a good entry point again is $3 to $3.30, and you want to sell this around $5.50 or so, $5.50. If you look at the last year, you can see it's a really good pattern, solid stock in terms of the technical analysis point of view. DraftKings, great stock as well. Want to get that around the $11 point, no higher than 18. And then you can turn it around, sell it for 40. 40 minimum. It's hit 40 multiple times. So it's not ready to buy yet. Don't buy DraftKings yet. Okay, we got 4 more to go. Inovio, the other Bill Gates. I was going to say Bill Cosby. So we have 3 companies owned by Bill Gates, or he's either a co-founder or he's involved with them in some level. Microsoft, QuantumScape, and Inovio. Inovio is a great buy at $5 and below. You could even say $4.50. $4 to $4.50, but $4 to $5 is a good entry point. And you could sell this for $10, $13, that range. It's a wide range, but I would say safe, 10 to 13. Let's close that. Got 3 more to go. Dollarama. That's like a Nvidia kind of play. It just only goes up. It doesn't go down at all. Very rarely is it going down. So I can't really say what support is here. I can estimate and say maybe it's 80. Maybe it's 30. But realistically, I don't see this going down to 30. Most likely, let's say 70, 80. And it's only going up because the trend is people are going to Dollarama for their groceries. They're going to a dollar store to do their groceries because of the economy and the way things are. Tupperware. I think I covered all these stocks, but just going from memory, $1 and below. Don't buy it higher than $1. And then you want to turn that around and sell it at $2 plus. At least $2. It could explode again. I don't see that happening because it has meme stock status. So you have a target on your back. You've got the Wall Street. The shorts are on this. They're on this stock, just like they are on the next one. We're going to close out with that, which is GameStop. Roaring Kitty is back, and we can see. So is this stock, and this stock pretty much went up because of Roaring Kitty in the last month or 2. I would say the entry point is 18 and below, and the exit is clearly 45 and above. They're not going to let this go past 45, but it's also not going below $10 anytime soon. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to summarize all these and say, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate the support, and the past is the past. You got to learn from the mistakes, but never give up. Keep going. And we're trying to start from the bottom all over again. And just be patient. Put in your buy orders, the buy limit orders, and then be patient. Just wait. They will fill eventually. Just like this one was not so much that this was a FOMO play because of Nvidia. This train does not have brakes. Grocery outlet got that at a good price, so I don't have any regrets about that. That's only going to go up to 40 and above. And the one that really aged well was was DraftKings, Kodak, Dollarama. A lot of these aged very well, the ones on these list. On this list here. Okay, so thanks for your time. I wanted to make it a shorter video, summarize what was presented in the last video, the highlights of it anyway, and show them to you, and show you the visual aspect. And this is all this is all that I own right now. This is what just less than 2,000 US is what my holdings are worth. But you gotta start somewhere. So 2,000 right now. Hopefully by this time next year, so June 2025, it'll be worth a little bit more than that. But it takes a lot of patience. It takes a lot of faith too. But one of the most important things is patience, resilience, not giving up. It is choosing the right stocks, not just because of hype, but because they have a track record, a proven record of being successful, and they're the top companies in what they do. And it's also knowing what price to buy at and what price to sell. Once you get those two, you are very well on your way. So thank you again. Tune in next time. We'll hope to see you the next video whenever I feel like it. Whenever some big news happens, like Roaring Kitty comes back, or something to do with NVIDIA. Let's say they have a big deal with Tesla, or whatever it is. Whatever the situation, if it's big enough, we hope to cover it. And we hope to we hope to cover it. And pardon all the interruptions. That's just life, things happen. I don't have a professional studio. I just record on my laptop with this here Yeti mic. So peace, y'all. Check you next time.